Good evening mga kasangkayan mo pahingagab mga tanan. So I am filming this during night time obviously because I was about to have my daily dose of my salabat or ginger tea, but I discovered that I ran out of supply of fresh ginger, so I have to harvest my ginger that I planted in recycled containers or pots. So this is one of the best things about growing your own food. So you can harvest anytime at may ano ka pa. For sure fresh yung harvest mo. So this ginger, I planted this about 4 or 6 months ago from a rhizome which was only about the size of a thumb. So ganito lang kalaki yung itinanim ko na ginger rhizome, but look at this. So kung ngayon tayo bibili ng luya sa merkado, last week I purchased a 250 grams only of ginger doon sa Save More Market, which cost me 70 pesos. So imagine, only 250 grams of ginger cost me 70 pesos. So 250 grams, that's only a quarter of a kilo. So lumalabas na 140 to 80 yung kilo doon sa Save More. Pero kung sa merkado, sa palengke mo bibilhin yung luya, 250 grams I think will only cost you about 30 to 40 pesos. So look at this. So malalaki na yung luya na to from thumb size na rhizome. So yan, malaki na talaga siya, ganyan na siya kalaki. So I'm going to harvest this because I'm going to have my fresh ginger tea, kasi umiinom ako ng luya, ng salabat araw-araw. So dahan-dahan na nating i-harvest yung luya. Yan, malaki na talaga siya. Imagine, for just a period of about 4 to 6 months, ganito nakalaki yung mga harvest natin. Wow, look at this. This is so big already. Kaya nga nang sabi ko kanina, this is one of the best things about growing your own food. Look at this, wow. Yan. Ang laki niya. Yan, so look at this, diba? Ang laki. Ganito lang kalaki yung itinanim ko na rhizome. So ganyan lang. So imagine kung gaano nakalaki yung inilaki ng niya. So isa pa dito, ayan, wow, look at this. Ganyan na siya kahaba at saka kalaki. I think aabot to ng half a kilo, kasi ang laki niya. Imagine kung bibilhin ko to sa Save More, it will cost me more than 100 pesos. Pero sa merkado or sa palengke, baka mabili ko lang to by 50 to 70 pesos. Pero dito, dahil this is my my own plant, libre na. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki, diba? So I planted this ginger sa mga sa mga recycled na containers. This is a plastic box na tapos ito naman cooking oil na container, hinati ko. And the others, ayan, these are only mineral water bottles. Ayan. So I have a lot of ginger plant here. Ayan. So for sure I won't run out of fresh ginger harvest because I still have a lot of ginger here. Ayan, diba? Laki niya. Ganyan na siya kalaki. Diba? laki niya. So hugasan lang natin to because I'm going to make my salabat or ginger tea. Ang laki niya, oh. Imagine. Ayan. So that would be all for now, mga kasangkayan. Kasi ano na, mag 8 o'clock in the evening. Ayan. So itinanim ko to dito sa sa gilid ng aming bahay. At meron pa ako dito mga seedlings. These are eggplants. Ayan. This is a newly sown eggplant. Alocasia na tumubo lang siya dyan, na wala naman akong itinatanim pero may tumubo dyan. So ayan, yan yung aking orchids. Nakaano siya sa atis, nakamount sa atis na itinanim ko din.